Welcome to my channel. My name is Cavell. For those of you who don't already know, today I'm going to be reviewing the Neewer Ring light. I bought it on Amazon about, I want to say 3 weeks ago roughly. I just haven't had the time to be able to make this video. I got 2 young kids, they're constantly running around, so it's very noisy in my house. So today was one of those days. My daughter is sleeping, my son's with his dad, so it was the perfect time to record. I'm definitely going to try and upload more videos. Majority of the content that's on my page is really old, so I'm just trying to be a little bit more updated, be a little bit more current. So if you do like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and also a comment. And then this room is a little bit empty. Initially this room was supposed to be my beauty room, but I've been using it for when guests come visit. So hopefully you guys can see the transformation process of when I actually do this whole room and actually turn it into my beauty room. I'm also gonna post some old DIYs of a few things that I do. Anyways, let's jump into this video right now. So it's a Neewer ring light. I've been waiting to buy one. I've seen the Diva ring light, also this Neewer ring light. The Diva ring light was a little bit more money, and I was looking for something a little bit inexpensive, as this is kind of like a trial and error. In this particular room, the light is like right above me, so what happens is it just like casts like a shadow like on my face. In terms of the setup, we're just gonna be doing this together. Hopefully there's instructions in there. If I don't know the parts, bear with me, you know, whatever. I'm not a professional, I must say. I just really wanted to bring better content and quality to my videos, because if you look, and I won't delete any of my old content, I just want to, you know, people to see where I'm coming from, how far I've, you know, been on this journey. So everything you can see, like literally how poor my lighting was to now, looks definitely a lot better. But I want, when I'm reviewing any makeup or doing any products, that people are able to see exactly what I'm seeing in true light and be able to, you know, get the quality review in its full capacity. Anyways, I won't bore you guys and keep talking. Let's get into this video right now. So I pretty much just popped the box on like a little chair just so you're able to see everything a little bit better. So I'm gonna start by opening the box. Hopefully it's not missing anything, because since it's been about 3 weeks, it would be pretty sad if I am missing parts. So hopefully not. Okay. Okay, so this first piece, let's see what this is. Maybe I shouldn't be ripping the box apart, just in case. Okay, so it does have some instructions in terms of installation. So hopefully it's pretty straightforward and I'll be able to get everything installed properly. So in this box, there's the adapters to be able to plug everything in. This, I think, is your little holder for your phone. I'm guessing, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Put those down for now. And then these are the covers. It's just 4 orange covers. I'm just hoping the white covers are already on there, because they're supposed to have some white covers as well. Okay, so let's keep our fingers crossed on that one. Oh, and then this one's a hot shoe. And this one works with my camera. So I'm using the Canon EOS or EOS M100. So depending on how sturdy this ring light is, I can just go ahead and directly mount my my camera on there. A few people have said they're not comfortable, it's a little shaky, so they're a little bit uncomfortable in terms of mounting it. So hopefully this one is quite sturdy and I can go ahead and mount it. It also comes with a little, I guess this is like a remote shutter, but what I've noticed with the M100, it doesn't have the ability to use like these little remote shutters. But what I've done, I've downloaded the Canon app on my phone, and I'm able to connect my phone through the Bluetooth, and I'm able to use that as like a remote shutter. I can take like pics with my cameras in my hand if I don't have like my husband to take a picture for me. So that's pretty good. I bought one on Amazon for like $8. However, it wasn't compatible with my camera. Only then did I do my research and found out for the M100s that the remote doesn't work. I did get the one with the bag. So the price that I paid for mine was $129 Canadian. And then the good thing with it, you know, like I want to be able to store it properly and all that jazz. So that's one of the main reasons why I got it. So the light was already inside of the bag. And I'll give you a little close up of what the bag looks like, because I know I'm a little bit far, but I want to be able to see once I'm setting everything up. So that's the little bag. It's nice and sturdy as well. So that's pretty good. When you have kids like myself, I want to be able to, you know, store everything properly just to make sure that, you know, it doesn't get damaged or whatever, because me personally, I don't know how often I'm going to be using it anyways. So I just want to make sure that it's well stored when I'm not using it. So we'll put this off to the side here while we get the rest of the content, and I'm guessing this part of it will be the actual stand. Okay, let's get this out. Yes. Okay. Opening up everything, okay. Pretty decent, all right. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, pretty easy. So all I did was I just pushed the legs down and then I just secured this thing. Actually, I guess these legs can't go down anymore, but we'll figure that out in a second if it in fact can go down anymore. But actually, so far it does seem pretty sturdy, so that's a very good sign. Let's take a look at this little instruction pamphlet right now. It's weird, it's like printed backwards. Anyways. Okay, so part one of installation. Yeah, open the tripod, make it a little bit secure. We're gonna take off this little black piece here, because I'm assuming that's just a part of it. Okay, loosen the screw on the middle. Okay, we've already did that to kind of make this stand up a little bit taller. So this little thing adjusts up and down. So depending on the height that you want your ring light, we're just gonna keep it up here for now. And I think also the head of this particular one, I'm just trying to see, yeah. So that also adjusts and can go up more, just in case, you know, depending on what you're doing or how tall you want it to be. I'm about 5'9", so in comparison without the top being on, this is what it looks like now. The instructions are a little bit wonky, but I think I may have figured out the head of this, because this thing just looks weird. And when you look inside of it, there's just nothing for it to really like screw into, so that's why it just feels like a weird setup. So we're gonna turn the neck of this and tighten it. So once we tighten it, it secures that little piece right here to the stand, and then this one at the side controls like the light itself, where it goes back and forth. So we're gonna tighten this one. It's pretty just easy to tighten. I guess you don't want to do it too tight just in case, because the other pieces are plastic, so you don't want to really break anything. I'm gonna put the little adapter. So that little piece is what you slide into the top. I'm just turning. And to be honest, it is pretty secure, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be putting my camera in here and mounting it, because how a lot of people, the reviews that I watch, people are saying it's a little wonky, and you know, their camera's expensive. They don't know if they really wanna, you know, do that. But I think if you see that it's really not shaking, I'm gonna lower the stand a little bit more, because we're gonna turn it on and test everything out. See, it's so easy to adjust, and that's what I like about it. I'm not like a crazy tech person, so I like that it's easy to adjust. The white filters came automatically on there, so that's really what I'm gonna be using. I don't know, maybe the odd time I'll use those orange ones, but the white ones are pretty much what I'm gonna be using. Let's check out the adapters. Okay, so for the adapters, let's figure that out. So yeah, that's the US plug. I don't know what I was thinking. Don't mind me. So that's pretty good though. So they give you a Euro plug as well, just in case. We can start testing it out. The camera obviously is ahead of me, so I won't. So the little thing right there, you just put it in, and we're gonna plug the light in. All right. So we plugged it in. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Let's dim that down. Okay. So this is the light. It's all set up. Obviously it has, like, you know, you can go, so that's off. Obviously you turn it on, and then once you turn it on, you can adjust the settings. So that right there is the lowest setting possible, and then brightest setting possible. That's what it is when it's all the way bright. Let's take that down because that's blinding. I want to see what happens if I try to put it directly in front of my camera, but let's just move this up here a little bit more. So compared to the start of the video when I did my intro, compared to now, I'm gonna just turn to the side here. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. It's all set up. As you can see, the setup was pretty easy. It's up and everything now. I think brings a little more light to my face. I'm gonna try as well to make sure, like, my videos, they're a little bit more up close. And this was mainly for the purpose of showing the actual video. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna switch and try to put my camera inside of the ring light, and then obviously won't see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna then grab my phone, and then I'm gonna try to use my phone to do a quick record to show you how it looks when it's all like set up with my camera installed on top and everything. Stay tuned. 1 second. Be right back. Okay, so I have installed my camera into my light setup, and honestly, this makes a world of a difference. Like, if you can see, like, just look at my face, just how everything lights up, just in comparison to when I started the video. And I'm gonna use that same intro of when I didn't have the lights, so that way you have something to compare it to, just to see exactly what it looks like. And then with the light in, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust the settings again, just so you can see versus me being closer to the camera now, so you have an idea of like how it looks. So see, actually that wasn't even the lowest settings, because here we are. Ooh, that looks good. So like literally little to no light on right now, but it's still on. But honestly, I think I made a really good purchase. I'm like super happy. Anyways, yeah. So washed out. Oh, my camera's focusing. Well, that's, I guess. So I'm gonna actually turn off the light in here for a second and see with the brightest setting on. I want to do a full scope review for you guys, just so you have anything. This is like super blinding. Okay, so this is with it on full blast with my overhead lights off, and honestly, if it's not for the fact that it's like directly in my eyes, like I probably could record just like this, but I think it may be better with the settings just for like the health of my eyes. I think it may be better just to keep it on a lower setting, have that one light on just to offset everything, versus just having everything just like beam directly into my eye. But let me know what you guys think about this review. Sorry for the instructions on the setup was a little bit wonky, but for this ring light that I purchased, it was pretty straightforward to set up, other than just like, you know, as you saw, putting the stand out and then doing the small adjustments. Everything else was like perfect. I'm super happy with the purchase. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching my video. Once again, be sure to like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already subscribe to my channel, share with your peoples. It's about to be a revolution. Thank you guys.